A very good morning, class 8. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic from the chapter Force and Pressure, and the name of the topic is pressure. So before discussing our topic, we will discuss two main points related to this topic, that is, name the two factors which are affecting the effect of force. That effect of force depend on which two factors? फर्स्टली द इफेक्ट ऑफ फोर्स डिपेंड्स ऑन द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ फोर्स कि हमने कितना फोर्स अप्लाई किया है, दैट इज़ द अमाउंट ऑफ फोर्स. एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ द इफेक्ट ऑफ फोर्स डिपेंड ऑन द एरिया ओवर विच द फोर्स इज अप्लाइड, कि कितने एरिया के ऊपर हमने फोर्स अप्लाई किया है. और जितना ज़्यादा फोर्स हम अप्लाई करेंगे उसका इफेक्ट उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा. लेकिन अगर उस सरफेस का एरिया कम होगा तो उसका फोर्स का इफेक्ट क्या होगा? देयर विल बी मोर इफेक्ट ऑफ द फोर्स. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. दैट इफेक्ट ऑफ द फोर्स डिपेंड ऑन टू फैक्टर्स. फर्स्ट वन इज मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द फोर्स, दैट इज़ द अमाउंट ऑफ फोर्स कि हमने उस सरफेस के ऊपर कितना फोर्स लगाया है. एंड सेकेंड वन इज एरिया ओवर विच द फोर्स इज अप्लाइड, और जितना कम एरिया होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा इफेक्ट हमें नज़र आएगा फोर्स का. सो प्रेशर, इट इज़ अ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी जो मेजर करती है इफेक्ट ऑफ फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया, कि कितने एरिया के ऊपर कितना फोर्स हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. दैट इज़ डिटर्मिन्ड विद द help of a quantity. That quantity is known as pressure. So pressure is equal to force by area. That means lower the area, if this area would be less, the pressure would be more, whereas if the force will be more, the pressure will be more. I hope it is clear that pressure is directly proportional to the force and it is inversely proportional to the area. So pressure is equal to force per unit area. And can you tell me the force unit of force? That is the Newton, and the unit of area is meter square. So the pressure unit would be Newton per meter square, and Newton per meter square is also having the another unit that is known as, this Newton per meter square is also equal to Pascal, and that is on the name of a scientist and it is written as PA. Okay. So what is about the pressure we discuss? For this we will do one numerical also. Can you do with me? Get your notebook and pen with you and do this numerical with me. That is, calculate the pressure when a force of 200 Newton is exerted on an area of 5 meters square. So here we discuss the formula. Firstly, you will write the formula and speak with me. Pressure is equal to force by area. That is, we will calculate the pressure with the help of a formula, and pressure is equal to force by area. So do it by yourself. Everything is given, force is given and area is also given. So what would be your answer? Force is equal to 200 Newton and area is about 5 meters square. So your answer is 40 Newton per meter square, or 40, you can write 40 Pascal. Okay.